Hi, prospective JSU students. I'm Dr. David Dempsey. I'm with the Mathematical Computing and Information Sciences Department, or MCIS for short. I'm a mathematics professor, so I'm the M part of that. I'm also the advisor for the Math Club and Kappa Mu Epsilon Mathematics Honor Society. We often have social events for students to gather together, including some of these games to practice our game theory, which my wife and I are doing while we're being quarantined, along with puzzles for geometric reasoning, and also our lovely Lego Hogwarts here, which my wife and I have been doing for several months in this, which is what she calls her room of requirement. A lot of students think that teaching is the only thing you can do with a mathematics degree, and you can do that, but there are certainly a lot of other things you can do. We do, in fact, partner with the Secondary Education Department at JSU to help train future high school teachers, and almost all of those are placed immediately because there's such a high demand for mathematics teachers at the moment and always. But a lot of our students work in industry. For instance, we have recent graduates working in Huntsville with NASA, with Redstone Arsenal, a variety of tech companies, and in the region in various companies doing statistics. Actuarial science is a very hot topic right now, along with data science, and we can certainly prepare you with the background in statistics and computing that you need for that. Most of our graduates have some experience with programming, and we provide a lot of that for you. A lot of companies help you learn that on the job. But we always advise you to do some computing on the other side of our department, or physics, things like that that are good support courses for future careers. Our major is comprehensive, giving you a background for anything you'd ever want to do with mathematics, but it's also fairly flexible for upper-level electives, so you can tailor it to whatever it is you want to do, whether it's teaching, whether it's industry work, whether you want theoretical work for future graduate study. We do have a lot of students who want to go for a master's or a PhD and maybe end up teaching college like I do, which I think is kind of fun. One exciting new thing we have is the Faster Master's program, which allows you to take up to 4 graduate courses while you're an undergraduate and pay undergraduate tuition or use your scholarship. But then when you graduate, you already have 4 courses towards your master's degree at JSU, and you only have 6 more left, which you can easily do in a year. That opens up a whole lot more job opportunities, and there's usually funding for that as well. Our small class sizes really set us apart from other universities and give you the opportunity to interact with our faculty and other students one-to-one and in small groups. Often students get together and study and sit in their student study areas or in professors' offices. My office is usually full of students asking me questions and working together with things. But regardless, we hope that you'll consider mathematics as a major and a career path, and we hope to see you in the fall at JSU. Thanks.